Short on time but want to get crafty? Well, this is the way to do it. I'm Kathy and this is all about that base. And let's face it, once there is a base, it's easy to put everything together and the rest just flows. Pre-made bases bring on that layout. This is day 6 and I am using this diamond type layout that I created. I will put the link up here above for you so you can go and see how that came together. And then we're putting on our photos and our embellishments and we will have a layout completed. That's the beauty of working with pre-made bases. Short on time but still want to use that crafty side of the brain? Well, these allow that to happen without too much fuss and bother. Have pre-made embellishments makes it even easier, and these embellishments I have gotten through swaps from girls in the Girls Down Under group, which is an Australian swapping group. Really great group if you're Australian and you want to be part of embellishment building and swapping. I'll have the link down below so you can go and check that out as well. But as I said, I'm part of All About That Base with Ginger on Ginger's Hops. She is running a giveaway this month with this hop, so go and check out her Facebook page to see all the details and be part of the fun of creating with pre-made bases. So these amazing embellishments came from Sharon Bishop, which are the road trip and the photo frames, and the little lighthouse that I'm using now, it's going on, and that was Amanda Leckie who made that for me. So these layouts are really easy to work with. As I said, they do come together nice and easily, and this one in particular is funny. I'm calling it it was meant to be road trip because the photos are taken at Kiama at the blowhole, but that's not why it was a meant to be trip. It was a spur of the moment trip. We hadn't planned it. We just decided that we'd go in the September holidays last year, and as we went I missed the turn off and we had to go down through Moss Vale, which I don't normally do because I know the children can't cope going through Moss Vale because of the windy roads. Particularly my youngest Lily, she gets road sickness very, very bad, and she did that day, as well as Ivy, the poor little darling. She was sick as well. So when we hit the bottom of the mountain, I pulled into the first petrol station to stop and give them a break, and as I was checking my phone because I was relieving principal at the time, I was looking to make sure that everything was fine. I found out that the petrol station belonged to my cousins. It was the first day it had opened, and I didn't even know they were opening a petrol station, and it was like we were meant to be. It was very funny. Hadn't seen them for ages. Just driving around, doing my own thing, and here are my cousins in the petrol station that I happened to stop at because my daughter needed a break. Very, very fate meant to be. That's what I feel. I always feel that things happen for a reason. I was meant to make that mistake and miss the turn off. I was meant to go down through Moss Vale, through the windy things. Lily was meant to get car sick. We were meant to stop at that petrol station. Really funny. They were telling me that the fences were still up that morning and they opened up and we actually got to be one of their first customers, which was pretty funny. Fancy that. And this just shows you how serendipity life is. These things are really just, random and happen, and that's why this was a meant to be road trip. So I love how this is coming together. It's very simple. I've just drawn in a little fine line black border to the top left, bottom right, just to finish it off. I'm adding in where it was and when it was, and that's pretty much the layout today. Got crafty, got quick, and still have a layout memory going into the album. Adding in my pops of colour into my visual triangle, and that's going to draw your eye around the layout. Using the same colours on the layout makes all the difference for these things. Give it a little bit of flick, that puts those pops of colour into that rounded enamel dot type effect, and there you go. Quick, simple, easy. That's the layout today. That's a wrap for this one. Don't forget to go and check out the full playlist listed down below. I'll put down the Girls Down Under link below as well if you want to join, if you're an Australian and like to create embellishments and want to swap. And don't forget to check out Ginger's hops. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I've done, and here's my next video for you. See you there real soon.